Now that we've covered everything about ordering, we're going to go over transiting items. There are two different types of transit in IPOL, standard or two-click transit and instant or one-click transit. Which one your organization uses will be determined by your system administrator. For this video, we're going to go over standard transit. In order to use any transit, you have to go to the Locate and Move page under the Stock in the Inventory tab. You'll notice first a number of filters that allow you to filter the items that you see when you put the units in transit. To begin the transit, click on the Place Units in Transit button. In order to put units in transit, first we have to select a warehouse we're sending them from and a warehouse we're sending the items to. We can then select if we want to create a new transit slip or just use an existing one. We can then select which items we want to use. Note that you can only select complete groups of items. If you wanted to break off a different group of items, you could simply click on the blue highlighted units number and then enter a new number in the pop-up window that appears, although here we already have a group that we want to send. Click on the Mark button and then click on Ship Units to send the units to the warehouse. This is where we perform the second step in two-click transit. We go back to Locate and Move and then click Receive Units in Transit. We need to make sure we have the right warehouse selected and then pick a location that we're sending the items to. We can then select which units we want to receive with the Mark column and click on Receive Units. The stock will now be received into the warehouse. If your system uses instant transfer, you'll have a different set of steps to complete a transfer, which we'll go over in our next video.